Alright, we're under the truck right now. I hope you can hear me. I'm letting it run to warm up that oil. It's like, there's the front. So you just come back. There's a skid plate. Keep going. And right here, that's your oil filter. And right there is your drain plug. Now I'm going to come back to you because I'm going to get out from under here and get my tools ready and show you that. So, here's how you take off the oil filter with one of these. This one's a universal because these don't work on my Toyota, but they should work on the Chevy. And then, just need simple, and then a 15, 16, right here. And you're set. That's all the tools you need. Right there. Oh, and then, of course, get this little cool digamadroo and a little oil pan there. And then I got these. And then I also, for just in case, I set up these little puppies because I don't like dying. And I almost got crushed by an old 70s Ford one time. Those little metal just dug right into the asphalt because of the weight of the truck. It scared the living shit out of me. Right. Alright, we're underneath now. Again. And last time I did this with my Toyota, that oil just squirted out. So you're going to want to put your pan kind of under it, but hopefully so it catches it all. You got to make sure this thing is going the right direction. Not the right way. Alright. So it is 15 millimeter. I'm on wheels, so I'm gonna. Oh, there we go. You just need to get it started, and I have not been able not to get any oil on me, so I'm not even gonna try. Maybe this time I will. Fuck. There we go. Right in there. Oh, getting a little bit of drip. There we go. And now to loosen this bitch. Oh no. I don't think that's gonna work. It's a little big. I don't think these are adjustable either. Fuck, getting dirt all over me. Alright, I'm gonna have to come. She's a bleeding captain. Don't know how she'll make it. So the universal came in real handy. I forgot to start filming it. Alright, just like last time, just filled with it. Oh, I just can't seem to keep myself clean. Saw a really cool trick. This guy had like a big magnet in his tub, and so he could keep track of the bolt and keep that filter going. I wish I had something like that right now. Alright, we're gonna let this drain. I'll be back with you in a sec. Once it's pretty much, it's just not even draining anymore, it's just dripping. Just gonna put this plug back in. Okay. Oh, good. There it is. No, don't roll away on me. Alright. It's good. So learn how to operate with one hand. Shit. Ah! How'd you like my mouth? Alright, so I don't do it that tight right there. A little snug, but that's about it. And then you try to locate your filter, which is right there. Ta-da! New filter. So, see the little gasket on there? Make sure there's not one up there. That's not good. So I recommend washing your truck before doing this, because that was gross. I ate a lot of dirt. And this one, I was told, do a really good hand turn on there. Alright. And then I'm going to go check to see if all the oil's out. Oh, here. Looks like there's something still in there. Whatever. Alright, once you do that, just take your little plug out there and start pouring it in there. It's 6 quarts, so you gotta get a gallon in a quart. And then dispose of your oil properly, okay, there?